Hi, good afternoon. Hope everybody's having a good Wednesday, hump day. I got some Chinese food today. I'm gonna save this for another day. I got my egg roll and I got my spare ribs. Yep, and some fried rice. And the fried rice. The lady was still out. She's not there yet. And I asked, I said, what happened to your sister? And he said, very bad. He goes, she fell down a flight of stairs and she broke her ankle. So she's going to be out for like another, well, he said she needs 6 weeks. So I don't have a scissor. Let me get the scissor. I got my scissor. It's going up to 80 out there, okay, in New York. It's really hot. It's beautiful, but it's warm out there. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. I saw my mom. She's doing good. She looked good. She ate good. Stay hydrated. Got my water. I wore dungarees and boots. I'm sweating. I took off. I got shorts on now, and I'm gonna take this off too. I haven't had Chinese food in a long time. I missed it. I said, you know what? I'm getting Chinese. I'm wearing my pink. Today's International Day of Pink. Anti-bully day. Anti-transphobia day. You gotta let people be. You gotta let people live. Life is hard enough. And life is hard enough for everybody without, hating somebody for something ridiculous. That's none of your business. So, just mind your own hole and let people be. Get something good to eat and stay hydrated.